life situation at a supermarket, where the kids have to identify certain items depending on their initial consonant sound. Now they will be pretending to buy those items, so they will be role-playing a real-life dialogue at a counter. They will be engaging in real-life conversation. Now, in the meantime, they will be practicing consonant sounds such as the bilabial voiceless plosive sound, the alveolar voiceless plosive sound, and the African palatal alveolar sound. This activity is centered on the learner, so it's usually really fun and interesting to them. So don't miss it. For this activity, you can bring toys that you rescue from your kids' collections, or real-life objects to make this game more realistic. You could also bring real-life chocolate, but of course you will have to give it to the children afterwards. You might also use plain money or draw or paint your own money. Now, my children have a toy register machine, but you can use a box as a substitute. Make it look like a real register machine with ornaments and the like. So ladies, would you like to run some errands today? Yay! Okay, so you're gonna pick a paper. Pick a piece of paper. Nice. So you're gonna get some goods, beginning with this letter and the sound. Alright? Cool. Okay. Put them in a cart. Nice. I'm going to be the shop assistant, okay?
Yeah.
And take this cart to me, please. Oh, hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. How can I help you?
How much is this?
How much is what? Okay. Pizza and pasta. Okay, that'll be $2, please. All right. Keep your change.
Thank you.
And wait. There you go.
Thank you.
Bye. Alright, now it's your turn, okay? Pick a paper. Pick a piece of paper. Alright, so you've got to go and find goods, beginning with ch, ch, ch. Can you help your sister?
Chocolate.
What's that?
Chocolate. Water.
Chocolate, okay. What else? What else is she gonna get?
Yeah,
Chocolate and what else?
cheese.
Cheese, very good. Okay, no tomato because it's chocolate and cheese, okay? Okay, there you go, Ollie. There you go. You have to help your sister, okay? Alright, come here please. Hello. Good evening. How can I help you? Alright, what's this? What's this?
Chocolate and cheese.
Chocolate and cheese, very good. Okay, that'll be $1, please. Could you give me $1? Alright, so keep your change and wait, please. These are chocolate and here's your cheese. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah. So there's the last piece of paper.
Yeah.
Can you get it for me? Alright, so I want you to go and find goods beginning with the sound t, t. Okay.
Tomato.
Tomato, very good.
Tomato.
Okay. What
Yeah.
else?
Tomato tea.
Okay, so put in the cart please, put in the cart. Put the tomato and the tea in the cart. Okay. Come here, Sina. Come here. Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, how are you? All right. So how can I help you?
How much is this?
This. Okay. So that should be $2, please.
Okay. And this?
All right. So keep your change.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Oh, this is yours, by the way. Bye. Thanks a lot. Now, I use toys because they're children, but you can adapt this activity to your needs. So if you're teaching teenagers, for example, then you can use Riani on a table or flashcards on a board, and you have to tell your students to bring you an object, because remember, the purpose of this activity is to make your students recognize the beginning consonant sounds of certain words. Now don't forget to subscribe and leave any comments if you want, and stay tuned for more phonetic tips. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye. Bye.